Picture this, you're driving, music on, when a wisp of steam curls from under the bonnet. The temperature gauge rockets into the red, your heart skips, engine overheating, every driver's nightmare. It can turn a perfect trip into a disaster in seconds. Why does it matter? Your engine needs to stay within a narrow temperature range. Too hot, and you risk warped heads, melted pistons, and a ruined engine. This isn't just inconvenient, it's catastrophic and expensive. But here's the good news, most overheating is preventable. With a little knowledge, you can avoid the panic and the repair bills. Today, we'll break down what causes overheating, the warning signs, and what to do if it happens. You'll learn how to keep your engine and your wallet safe. Think of this as your essential guide to staying cool under pressure. Ready to become the commander of your car's cooling system? Let's dive in and make sure you're prepared for whatever the road throws at you. Buckle up, let's get started. Let's lift the bonnet and see what's really going on. Your engine runs on thousands of tiny explosions every minute, generating massive heat. Without cooling, it would melt itself in minutes. Enter the cooling system. It circulates coolant through the engine, soaking up heat and carrying it away. The goal? Keep the engine in its Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold. If the cooling system fails, heat builds up fast. Coolant might not be circulating or it's leaked out. As temperatures soar, metal parts expand, gaskets fail, and you risk a warped cylinder head. Oil breaks down, losing its protective power. Pistons can seize, bearings can melt, and rods can snap. All from a simple loss of cooling. It's a chain reaction of destruction, one you definitely want to avoid. That's why understanding your cooling system is so important. It's not magic, it's basic science and a bit of regular care. Keep the system healthy, and your engine will thank you. Ignore it, and you're in for a world of hurt. Let's see what causes these failures. So what usually goes wrong? Number 1, low coolant, often from a leak, cracked hose, leaky radiator, or bad water pump. No coolant means no heat absorption, and things go wrong fast. Next, a faulty thermostat. If it sticks closed, hot coolant gets trapped and the engine overheats. Radiator issues are common too. Clogged with dirt or rust, it can't cool the fluid properly. The water pump is the heart of the system. If it fails, coolant stops moving, and heat builds up. Old brittle hoses can crack or collapse, blocking coolant flow. Any of these can trigger overheating. The good news? Most are easy to spot and fix with regular checks. Stay alert to these troublemakers, and you'll avoid most overheating disasters. Prevention is key. Now, let's talk about the warning signs. Your car gives you plenty of warnings, if you know what to look for. First, the temperature gauge. If it's in the red or a warning light flashes, act fast. Steam from under the bonnet? That's boiling coolant. Pull over immediately. Notice a sweet, syrupy smell? That's leaking antifreeze burning off hot engine parts. Burning oil smell? The engine's getting dangerously hot. Loss of power or sluggish acceleration? The engine's protecting itself here, pinging or knocking? That's detonation, serious trouble. Any of these signs mean it's time to stop and check things out. Don't ignore them. Catching overheating early can save your engine. Here's what to do if it happens. If your car overheats, stay calm and act quickly. Turn off the air conditioning to reduce engine load. Crank the heater to full blast. It draws heat away from the engine. Find a safe place to pull over and stop. Do not keep driving. It will only make things worse. Once stopped, turn off the engine and let it cool for at least 30 minutes. Never open the radiator cap while the engine is hot. Scalding steam can cause severe burns. Pop the bonnet to help heat escape, but keep your distance. Wait until everything is cool before checking coolant levels or calling for help. Acting fast can mean the difference between a quick fix and a ruined engine. Remember, safety first, both for you and your car. Don't risk it. Let the engine cool completely before touching anything. If in doubt, call a professional. Now let's talk about prevention. Preventing overheating is simple and saves you money. Check your coolant level regularly when the engine is cold. Top up with the right coolant if it's low. Flush and replace coolant as your car's manual recommends. Old coolant can corrode and clog the system. Inspect hoses for cracks, bulges, or leaks. Clean the radiator so air can flow freely. Don't forget your engine oil, it helps cool too. Change oil at the right intervals and keep it topped up. These small checks make a huge difference. Reliable cooling means a reliable car. Prevention is always cheaper than repairs. Coolant is your engine's unsung hero. It's more than antifreeze. It keeps things cool in summer and prevents freezing in winter. A 50/50 mix of coolant and water raises the boiling point, protecting your engine from overheating. Coolant also contains additives that prevent rust and corrosion inside the system. Using the wrong type or mixing coolants can cause sludge and blockages. Always use the coolant recommended in your owner's manual. The color doesn't matter, the chemistry does. Don't just top up with water, keep the mix right. Your engine's life depends on it. Treat coolant as essential maintenance, not an afterthought. Overheating isn't a mystery, it's a warning. Your engine makes heat, your cooling system keeps it in check. Know the main causes and warning signs and you'll stay ahead of trouble. Turning on the heater and pulling over isn't defeat, it's smart. Prevention is your best tool. Check coolant, inspect hoses and follow service schedules. These habits keep your car reliable and your journey stress-free. Listen to your car. Don't ignore the signs. Be proactive, not reactive. Have you had an overheating scare? Share your story in the comments. The more we learn, the safer we all are. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep your cool on the road. Thanks for watching. Until next time,